Good morning, everybody, and welcome to East High School DECA. I want to give you a little bit of information about our Phillies trip. Everything is documented in the letter and also on the Google form. But for those of you that like video, here it is. So my name is Mrs. Lowe. I'm one of the advisors over here at East DECA, along with Mr. Connor, who is our new DECA advisor at East DECA as well. So we're trying something a little bit different. We have DECA at all three high schools in Westchester Area School District. All together, we have approximately 500 students that are in our program. So we decided to come together this fall, just coming out of this really challenging time. And when we come together, what we're really trying to do is to provide some collaboration and community support and teamwork amongst all of these kids. So your child is actually going to be at this event with DECA students from East Henderson, and also Ruston. So let me just switch the view very quickly so we can look at a few of the details. So one of the things that you'll be able to notice by taking a look at this slide, this information is shared with you in the letter and then also on the Google form. The trip is going to be Wednesday, September 15th, and it's just in the evening. It is not a daytime trip. We'll be leaving East High School at 5:30. We will come back after the game. It will be a pretty late night. The next day on Thursday, September 16th, there is no school. This diagram should help you out a little bit more. One thing that's going to be a little different to purchase the game ticket, it actually has to be purchased online. You can use the QR code or you can take this shortened URL and it'll take you to the same site. The second thing that you have to decide is if you would like your child to take the bus with us or drive themselves if they're an older child, or you could consider making a family outing out of it or, something to that effect. So your child can ride the bus with us. If so, there is a $10 fee because we have to pay for the buses. And then if they drive themselves, they do not need to pay the $10 fee. The third step, which is the most important, whether your child is going to come with us on the bus or whether they're going to meet us there, we do need them to please fill out that permission slip, which is going to be in the form of a Google form, and that's going to be noted in this documentation. This information is going to be shared with your child today in class, September 1st, and because of the very fast turnaround time, we have to know by next Wednesday, September 8th, if your child is going to be going on the trip or not, and the ticket must be bought. So that's a very fast turnaround time, but we're incredibly excited, to be able to offer a trip coming out of this uber crazy year that we've had the last year and a half. Thank you so much for your time. Reach out to me with any questions. My name is Carol Lill, and I can be reached at CLILL@WCASD.net. Thank you very much.